Hello everyone! In this video I will try to explain you how to use the correct way the International Phonetic Alphabet. For that reason I did this presentation, it's about 5 presentations in PowerPoint when you can practice that kind of sound of this alphabet. Let's go! Wait for a moment. This is the sound of vowels. The first sound is E. If you can see 2 points, is in front of the word is because it's a long sound. E. The sample is heat. Now we have the sound The position of your lips is so important. You have to pay attention in how is the position of your lips. Now it's bird. Now we have the sound and in words hat. Now this symbol is so important. The name is schwa. The schwa is so important and its sound is like the. Now we have the sound in words new. Continue. In words birds. The sound is like all. This is another sound, is the sound sure. It's like sit. Now we have the sound and in words is hot. Continue. Wait. Excuse me. If you can listen, one motorcycle is outside of my home. No problem with this. Continue. The consonants. Very important, the consonant, no? You know. Now we have the sound of letter no problem. My dogs begin to good speaking. It's trying to speak in English to my dogs. No problem with it. Continue. The sound nothing. Now for me it's so complicating sound too, because in Spanish like you try to put the sound to the and one G. It's like ring. Now we have the sound of you have to be the strong sound. It's like pa pam birds. Now we have time. Don't forget, for you can and learn how to make that kind of sound. The important is practice, and no more. It's the only way for you can make a good sound about this. Continue, please. More consonant. The sound is like say dedo, but you don't say dedo. You say only. The sound is due. Now sound keys. It's like say ganso, gato in Spanish, and you can say and in words is good. This sound is equal like our S. It's only you have to say who. Example, same. Now we have another sound and is razor. Now shine. Again shine. Now we have vision. Now the sound is future. Now again you have here again the sound like mosquito. Vanity. That sound is, you have to put your tongue in the middle of your teeth. It's a sound. It's a sound slow. Here for me it's complicated. Use. Reward. Woo. Reward. Ha. Hard. Hard. The sound of H is like ha. Hard. This is rum. I hope this video can help in something. I am one student of the Secar University. This is my homework for Phonetica. Thanks.